Hello everyone, welcome to ISE 2026. I'm Claire Yan from Shenzhen, China, and now we are here with our products as these. This is our high-end 4K P60 camera with 12G SDI video output and HDMI, USB, IP port. So we could check the performance is with a very high crystal definition, and we could check the optical zoom is from 12x to 30x. It's suitable for video conferencing, broadcasting, and live streaming, even including some education solutions. So next, the one beside our camera is our own designed joystick controller. It's with 7 hotkeys to switching cameras, and also we could connect and control more than 200 camera with the help of IP switcher. So welcome and find further with our website here.